Hello. I'm back again with another Shop With Me video. Today I'm at Burlington handbag section. Look. Lots of handbags in the store. This Converse bag is by CK. This was 178. Today you get for 69.99. Such a deal. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable, where designers is attainable. Alright. Lots of new handbags by CK. They are representing today. Same price. This was 178 and today you get a 69.99. More CK bags. This is structured bag. And this is on sale for 47.49, and that was $154. And here is this tote bag. I like the size. This was 168 and today you get it for 59.99. And look, MK bag. Alright, they have lots of new bags in the store. This structured bag, this is perfect for traveling. Look, this is by DKNY. Interesting. More bags. Here is this coffee brand for 17.99. Interesting deal by this brand. Okay, affordable. More bags down here. They have a lot of handbags. So yeah, bags everywhere. This one is by Steve Madden, and this you get for $39.99 today in the store. Here is another structured bag by Yes. This one you get for $39.99 in the store today. Behind me, look at that. You get more brighter bags here. If you're interested, keep watching. I'll take you to clothing section as I always do. If you are all about that, keep watching. This is $27.99 and this one is by Nine West. I love the size. And here we have this. Yeah, this is by Steve Madden. It feels so good. This was $88. Today you get for $29.99. More bags down here. Interesting tote bags, backpacks. This is by Guess. And this one, let's see. This is $42.99 today in the store. Interesting. And here you have, look, this is Reebok. The quality is good. I love the color for $22.99. It's new in the store. Look what I'm looking at here. I love this interesting structured bag. This is by Nine West. And this one is $22.99. Okay, look what I'm looking at here. Yeah, this is by Steve Madden Pillow. Yeah, this is Pillow crossbody bag. Yeah, I love the hardware. And I love the size. It's neatly made for $27.99. And this one was $78. Interesting. The color, I love. This feels like butter. It's similar to this one, but this is silver hardware. Okay, down here is another one by Steve Madden, and this one is on sale for $30.39. The structure, unique structure. I love that. Okay, more bags here. This is good shoulder crossbody bag, and this is by Nine West for $24.99. Look. This is so cool. With coin spurs, this you get for $29.99. Let's see what went down. This is interesting crossbody bag. Yeah, this will serve as a very good messenger bag. Okay, with coin spurs by Medingo. And this one was $38. Today you get just for $14.99. All right, let me quickly take you to clothing section. Let's see what they have there. All right, to clothing section, see, we have a lot of pieces, new pieces in the store. The music here is too loud. I'm likely to move away from here. All right, look, 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 look. This feels so good. The quality on this one is extremely good. And look, this came with two deep front pocket. Who made this? Look, and this is 1999. The quality is good. It is new in the store for that price. Interesting. And this is in size medium. Interesting, interesting. And see what we got here. Oh my God. This is for your holiday. Look at that. Holiday events. Interesting. And this one is $22.99 by this brand in size 12. And here we have this interesting plain burgundy tee by Tommy Hilfiger in size medium for $19.99. Okay, look at this. Let me quickly show this. Then we move from here. I don't need copyright. Okay, look, 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 look. Okay, the color combo on this one is so classic. Look, this is interesting for $24.99, and this one is by Tahari. Look, interesting, interesting. I love that. And here we have this one by Kenneth Cole for $10.99 in size medium. Up here, this looks like what you can get from Chanel. Interesting piece. I love this one in size medium. Interesting. And this is new in the store. Okay. I love the color. Interesting. And this is $14.99. Okay. To this side, let's see what we can lay our hands. Yeah. I saw this last season is available in the store again. I love the color. If you are a minimalist, you are a neutral queen like me, come to Burlington. This, they got you covered on this one. This one is $19.99 with Kevin Klein hair, This is in size medium, interesting, classic, I love. And this one is new in the store with the love on it, nicely beaded. All right. Four at the center. Interesting idea for $16.99. And this is in size medium. Okay, it's new in the store. After this, I'm going to take you to gift section. I'm still, covering gifts area because this is the time to grab yourself interesting gifts for your loved ones. I will be showing you gifts until it's over. All right, we don't want you to miss out on anything. This one is $14.99. Let's quickly go and see what they have at the gift section. Come with me. To gift section, look what they have here. I am looking at this gift set. Here you get 5-piece food spa. Interesting. Look at this. Look at this. This print came through this season heavily. So yeah, this one is just $14.99 for this interesting, cute set. It's a wow, okay? It is a wow. All right, up here you have 10-piece luxury robe set. Look at that. Here you have robe, you have body oil, you have body wash. Yeah, you have a lot. You have sponge. Interesting. And this one, let's check if we can grab the price. Oh my God, this feels so heavy. Oh my God, this is $24.99. Interesting. And here, look at this one, 5-piece ultimate bed and body collection. Interesting. With ribbon on this. Get this, give this to your girl. Oh my God, this one is $29.99. With this, you have nothing to think about. Just, get a good bag, put this in, and that's it. You don't need to do much. And here you have this one. Here you get bed balm and sugar scrub. Okay, Okay, and this one is $7.99. Interesting. If you need more gifts, come to Burlington. All right. More gifts, interesting gifts, come to Burlington. Designers gifts for less, come to Burlington. Okay, in my next video, I will still take you to gift section because that's what the season is all about. This is the time for giving. All right. Yeah, get your loved ones interesting gifts they will love. This is 799. All right, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much. Share, 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 share. That's all you have for me. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing more for sharing with you daily deals. Thank you so much. And until next time, bye for now.